Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert plum tree symbol in world. So it is very easy to insert it. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol. So click on it and more symbols. So one screen will be open. So need to font select this one and then type this character code. So firstly select it. So character code is 1F334. So just type this character code and click on insert. You show name also. Now close it. So very easily you can insert. If you need to change the color also, so just select it and font color. So click on this drop down and select it. So very easily you can insert plum tree symbol in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.